So class 3 children, I am back over here with the lesson, and I showed you so many pictures to show you what is similarity and what is dissimilarity. Both the things, when you have seen, I hope you have understood what is similarity and what is dissimilarity or looking different. So now coming back to the lesson from Tapas. Tapas, when he saw his father's picture, his father's photograph, he kept wondering how one can look so much alike, so much resemblance, how it can be. How is it possible that two people can look so much alike? Even they are not twins, then also they are looking so much alike? Yes, it is possible. Always you must have seen many people asking you that or telling you that you are looking like your mother. You talk like your mother. You laugh like your mother. Your hair is like your father. All such things, such comments you get from people. It's really true that you or we all resemble our family members. We have blood relation with one another. And that's why we look like one another. So the resemblance can be in many ways. In the color of the skin, it can be the shape of the nose, shape of the forehead. Everything is there which we can resemble one another. It can be seen in many other features of ours. Our hands and legs, the type of hands and legs. We are having long hands or long legs. Same way your parents might be having, that's why you have got it. Alright. But sometimes the resemblance is very little. Resemblance may be in some different way. You are only some part is like your mother or father. Only maybe the forehead or the eyes, the shape of the eyes, the color of the eyes. One or two things. Sometimes resemblance is so much, that is called similarity. Sometimes the resemblance is very little. So we might not look like a father or mother. We might look like a other brother or sister, and or like our grandparents, like our uncles and aunts. You see, most tall parents, those who are very tall, those both the mummy and daddy both are tall, then they have tall children also. Sometimes what happens, short parents have short children, but it's not always. Sometimes tall parents might not have tall children. Why? Because maybe the grandfather was not tall. Alright? So that child has gone on the grandfather. The reason is it's coming right from the from one generation to another. The similarity and dissimilarity comes in the child. So sometimes the child, mother and father might be very short, but the child is very tall. The reason why? Same. Some other member in the family must have been tall, but short parents are having tall children. So these are the differences we find, and similarities we find. Either we are same, we look alike, or we may look different. So this is what I was wanting to tell you, that the color of the skin, the shape of the mouth, the shape of the eyes, the color of the eyes, the shape of the nose, shape of the forehead, all these things might resemble our parents or might not resemble. Someone must be having nice black hair. The mother must be having black hair. The child also might have black hair. Nice thick black hair. Father's hair must be curly, wavy or something. The child might get it. So in every part of our body, something or the other is matching with our father or mother. This is called resemblance. Followed? So sometimes our hair color or our texture of the hair, the type of hair what we have, I told you, might be like the mother or father, but it might not be also. It might be like the grandfather. So mother and father, grandparents, all are having some similarity with the child. The color of the hair may be black, may be brown, Now you may say that my grandfather's hair is grey, white. So I'll also have white hair over? No, when you grow old, then you will get white hair, grey hair. Not now. So many children resemble their grandparents, but there are certain things. Your father is also resembling your grandfather or grandmother. And that's why your uncle, your aunts, cousins, all of them, there is some resemblance with one another. All will look, something or the other is same in the features, in the height, weight, full body, structure may be same of every member, or may not be same. It might be with one member, might not be with another member. So sometimes a girl, she looks too like her mother, and but another daughter, she may not look like the mother, but she might walk and talk like the mother. The other girl who's looking like her mother, resemblance is there with her mother. The other daughter is not having resemblance, but she is walking and talking like her mother. Same way with a boy, it's the same thing. And even sometimes you see when a phone call comes and I hold the phone, supposing, and someone might think that this is my daughter speaking. Why? Because the voice is so much alike. Same way in your family also, when your mummy speaks, then and a grown-up sister is there of yours, and your sister's friend, she calls, and your mummy gives the answer on the phone, then they might think that it's your sister. Why? Because this similarity in the voice. Same way with a young boy having the similarity of the voice like his father. So people get confused when they hear this. So this is what I was trying to tell you about similarity, and many of the other things I will show you about similarities, and we will discuss these things, similarity, and how much things we like. We are like one another, and there are many dislikes also. We look alike, but even in different tastes also we are having difference, or we are having similarity. So all these things I will take up afterwards. So before taking up that, I just want to show you one small little homework I will give you based on this topic. So just get to the screen and see this part. You see this part. Your one special feature you have to write over here. What is your special feature, and who is it similar to? Your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your face, whatever it is, your color of the skin or the texture of the hair, whatever it is, who it is similar to, you must mention over here. And your two physical features which are unlike any other family member. It is different from any other family member. Two physical features which is not at all like your brother or sister, like your father or mother. Those things you will write down in this. You will note down and keep from now only. And then when I take up the lesson again, further I will go and speak to you about some more similarities, and then we will finish the lesson. So I hope you have understood quite a lot in this lesson, and we will take up this lesson after a while. And so have rest, eat well, sleep well, and be healthy. Don't go out of the house. Coronavirus is there, just coming close to you, so be away from it. Because how you can be away from it? By maintaining social distance, by maintaining distance from one another. Don't be close to one another. Don't touch one another. Whenever you touch anything, you wash your hands properly. Whenever the handle or something you touch of the door or the doorbell and all these things, you wash your hands. So use good soap, and you will be away from this, and be clean, Be safe. Stay inside the house. Don't worry your parents. So bye for now.